Welcome to this video on the 5 signs your small business has a tech problem. At NeuClix, we handle the tech so you can focus on running your business. A tech problem often sneaks up on you. You don't realize you have one until it's costing you time, leads, and revenue. It feels like being busy or just the way things are. Sign number 1, you're the first and only point of contact. If all inquiries land in your personal inbox, you are the bottleneck, not a system. Solid infrastructure uses automated sequences to handle inquiries. Sign number 2, you've lost a lead to slow response times. The probability of converting a lead drops dramatically after the first few minutes. Without an automated system to keep leads warm, you lose people who are already interested. Sign number 3, your website exists but doesn't do anything. If you can't point to leads or customers from your website in the last 30 days, it is a missed opportunity, not an asset. Sign number 4, you're doing the same tasks every week. Your time should go toward high-value tasks only you can do. If a system could handle the repetitive work, and you are still doing it, that's a tech problem. Sign number 5, you're not sure what's working. Do you know where customers come from and which posts get engagement? If not, you are flying blind. Good tech infrastructure provides data to help you focus on what works. Take this diagnostic reality check. If you check more than one box, you are actively limiting your own growth. These signs indicate friction between your business and your technology. You aren't behind. You're ready to stop patching things together and build systems that can grow while you focus on what you do best. Enter NeuClix Technologies. We build the infrastructure your business needs: websites, automation, AI tools, without overwhelming you. We handle the tech so you don't have to. We handle the tech. You run the business. Let's have a real conversation about what's getting in the way. Start the conversation at NeuClix.com.